Welcome back guys to 509. So today we got a new crawler, and let me tell you, this might be the best crawler for your money because this thing just comes with a lot of features and cool stuff. Look at this remote. This thing has so many buttons. So you got like 4 buttons on there. You got your dual rates, reverse. You got buttons right here. You got a knob here, one right here. This is the FMS K5 Blazer. This thing is not a hard body like the other ones, but still this thing is pretty sweet. If you guys want to check out the older videos, I did an unboxing on that truck. Those are the 1/18 scale trucks, and this is the 1/10 scale. So it does come with this back piece if you want to put it on. The only issue is you do have to drill into the body, and it does come with windows, stickers. I mean, it does look pretty nice like this, but I'm gonna leave it out. So when you take off the body, you notice there's no wires for the lights because all the lights are on magnets, which is pretty cool. So before you guys put on the body back on, make sure the truck is off. You don't want to put the body while the truck is on, that way you don't burn anything. The nice thing, the on and off button is right here, so very easy to press once the body's on. All right, let's go through the remote and see what each channel does. So the first one, channel 4 right here, it's on. So this is going to be your high speed. Now low speed. Next you got this little switch right here, and there's 3 positions. So the first one right here, this is going to be your front wheel drive. Middle, 4-wheel drive. And then the last one, this is going to be your dig button. So channel 8, that's to lock your rear diff. Channel 7, that's to lock your front. Lights off, lights on. It's cool that they have signals, but you don't use your signals while you're off-roading. So I'll see if I could disconnect that. And all this is just your throttle, trim, steering trim. So you could control the drag brake on this right on the remote. So if I fully turn it on, this thing just stops immediately. Turn it down a little bit. This thing just cruises. So here we go, let's try the dig feature. So we're going straight, turn on the dig, lock up the rear. Look at that. Look at that, right on the table, just turned around. So this is high speed and handles the bumps pretty well. See if we could get a little bit of muddy. Oh yeah. Let's turn on front wheel drive, see if we could get out. Going. Four wheel drive. See if we can climb some sandy spots. The diffs are open right now. It's 4-wheel drive. It's pretty slippery. Come on. There we go. Finally found a puddle, so let's see how well it does. So far it's going. Easy. And this truck, it just looks so good in the mud. Oh, it's too steep. It's taking an angle. Ah, high centered. Come on. It's too steep. Oh, we got it. Nice. Let's turn on the headlights. So even dumping in the water, the lights still work. High speed in a dig. Look at that. Let's do a little bit more rock crawling before we head out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. The battery just died. Again, if you guys want it, I'll have a link down below where you guys can check it out. With all the stuff that comes with the truck, I think it's pretty well priced. A good competition for the other trucks out there. Alright guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys next time.